Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a keyframe system. So in the other video we learned how to use the move system, but now we are going to learn how to use the keyframe system. I'm going to show you what this is going to do. So this arrows, the side like where the entity should go. So I'm showing you what would happen if you do it right, like this. So this is the first object we're gonna make. First you need to go into build mode, and then you need to go to codes or the triggers and look for this. Not for this, for this arrow. And you don't need to edit object, but you need to have this. And then if you want to make a line, don't make this. This will not work. You need one arrow and then copy and paste it and then move it away. Then you can see this line. I'm gonna make it now not because I already made one, but you can make the line like a triangle, something like this, or like this. So you can make it however you want, and if you want the object to change size, you can just make the object to scale. It will then then change the scale or the scale from the object, or rotate the arrow so the object is going to rotate if it's there. That's what I also made here, so it looks like a little, I don't know, how should I, like this, like he's spying something. Or so if you made it, you're gonna so target these, and then you gotta add a group ID to it. If you just press next 3 and then add this group ID, and to every one of this. So of all of the arrows, you're gonna add the same group ID, like 7. So for me it's 7. I don't know what's for you guys, but just press next 3, and then you need to know this number, and then place a I forgot. You need a keyframe, and then you can make a touch trigger. So if you touch it, then it will only work, or like this. So you can, so if your music board like touches it, or then it will activate, or make it spawn trigger, so you can toggle with it. I'm going to explain this in another video, the toggle trigger. So if you made it, you're gonna place a keyframe, and then make the target ID. The target ID is the object you want to move. So create an object. I made this little doll. Wait, I can show it to you guys. I made this little doll right here. Where is it? Here, this little dummy, and okay, I'm not good at this, but I tried my best, and she's a girl, by the way. And if you use this object, you don't need to make this object. You can also just use a normal object like a block, or I don't know, if you want to make a spike or something. Then give the spike another group ID, like the next 3. It's for me again 7 because I didn't add the group ID. Then you need to add to the object you want to move the group ID, so next 3, and then the object of the group ID of the object must be a target ID, and parent ID is the same, and animation group ID is the the arrows. So the group ID you gave the arrows, like so it's next 3, and then you need to know this number and make it to animation ID. So if you did this, it should actually look like this bed. So like this. How the bed is moving is actually quite easy, but it helps a lot. I can try to make it like this. It's working. Yes, okay, but this is not looking better. So we can also make a test right here. So the dummy is going to move like in this thing right here. Let me just place the start position. You can also just read it. So if you see a next video where I say GID, it's group ID. And yes, it's just spelled so. So let's touch this, and you can see the doll. And so why is both the dolls are moving? But you can see this doll is moving like the other doll because I made this triangle. It's not actually on the triangle because I made it a bit further, but you can see I added the group ID. And yes, this is actually and I think this was it. So if you want to see my level, you're just gonna search for my levels. I'm gonna, my name is actually how's my name in YouTube, but I can show it. This is my name. Wait, this is my name in Geometry Dash. Oh, but not a O. This is my name in Geometry Dash. You can just search it and then play my level. The level is named Keyframe Test. Yes, it's a level, and you can just copy it and go to the editor and make it yourself or add something. So I guess it's the video. Yes, I hope you guys learned something, and yes, maybe I'm gonna do another video now of a toggle trigger. I don't know how to use a toggle trigger actually, but I try to explain it. Okay, bye.